to work somewhere where you feel like you're part of the family, part of the team, and respected, and not just another person, and you want to thrive and have everybody there to make sure you're successful, this is the place you want to come. They've been there on my side every time I needed it.